February 12th, 2025. Every bird is born to fly. But these little birds haven't got that chance yet. In this market, thousands of birds are sold every day. Some become decorations while others just perish in cages.
Feeble humans.
When I bought these 10 birds, the shopkeeper told me they were 50 rupees each. But when he found out I was setting them free, he gave me a 10 rupee discount per bird. Recording was not allowed in this market, so I couldn't capture everything. But think about it. These were just few birds. How many more like them are sold every single day? 500 rupees, 10 lives. Is the value of a life just about money? Or is the freedom to fly worth far more than any price? So today, I am giving them that chance. I am setting them free. So without wasting any time, let's go to their real home. Next morning, Dhamek Stup, Sarnath.
Enjoy the fun. Wonderful.
Before bringing these birds to the garden, I showed them some videos on TV and played a few melody tunes at home. Freedom isn't just about opening a cage. Real freedom comes when fear disappears from the heart. These birds were probably seeing the open sky, greenery, and nature for the first time. After being in a cage for so long, they were finally realizing how their real home looks like. Their body language was changing, their eyes had a new spark. It felt like they were getting ready to fly. 9 birds have already flown, but this last one is still waiting. The cage is open, the path is clear, yet it can't gather the courage to fly. Maybe it still doesn't believe that it can actually be free. But the truth is, all it takes is that first step. And once we take it, the rest of the journey becomes easier.
I wish you luck.
If you ever want to do something meaningful for your loved ones or give a gift that truly matters, set these birds free. On your loved one's birthday, on a special occasion, or just because you want to. Be the reason for someone's freedom. Because this is not just about birds. This is about humanity, kindness, and making the world a better place. So, let's spread wings and set souls free. And hey, no birds were harmed, during this entire process. Their safety and well-being were carefully taken care of. Behind me, this place is Deer Park, and I choose this place because it has a beautiful garden. There are trees, water, nature, and most importantly, an open sky. And there are also people here who care about animals and birds. So, how did you like this video? Please let me know in the comment section. And if anyone had any concerns about this entire process, or if you think I did something wrong, please feel free to tell me that as well. If you do the same as I did, then you too can become a great supporter for these little birds. Well, if you have been born into this life, you have come to this land, this beautiful planet Earth, then try to do as much good as you can for others. And maybe the universe has made me a mediator to share this message with all of you, that never keep birds locked inside cages. Thank you.